Black rain brought the pain. It would never be the same again. The world looked at us with incredulity. Did you not see? There never was a you and there never was a me, just a glorious we. Now the scourge has come. There is nowhere to run. Casting blame, man's eyes are full of shame. The we is sacred, not just a game. The way is like a balance, swaying to and fro, equal but not equal from high to low. The rule of the self, there is no turning back. It is now under attack. This deafening noise must be met with silence within. This essence within will be our guide. This deafening noise must be met with silence within. This essence within will be our guide. It will provide. The wounds of the world must heal, allowing ourselves to truly feel. It must not return to what was. Love and pain so close together. Where one ends, the other begins. There have been sins upon sins. Remember now so you remember forever. The entire world, all the people together in one point of time. Me and me need never be. The world and I, a glorious we. Let us all heal. Let the world heal. Let it not be as it used to be. Let us finally be free in a glorious way. Peace.